people presume that only thick-skinned individuals who are unable to taste anything can drink black coffee. Black coffee seems to be an unusual thing nowadays, while adding cream and sugar is normal for most people. Surely you have also had that impression at some point. You have most likely grown up with that harsh and bitter black coffee you used to buy at a local food shop. Nowadays, it's becoming more common for rich, balanced coffee to be sold at homes, cafes, churches, and farmers markets. However, times have changed. Will you give in to societal pressures? Or will you stray from the norm and drink your coffee black? Well, you might want to. Black coffee has been known to have major health benefits. Over time, it has only gotten stronger with more information to hand out. New researches are released year after year, suggesting that black coffee can shield you from some unknown disease or even lower risks of some disorders. Some of the things that consistently correlate with coffee consumption are lowered melanoma and type 2 diabetes. It is also believed that it can reduce the occurrences of Parkinson's and chronic liver disease. Some even imply that it can improve your cardiovascular health. These are just a few examples of the many benefits that black coffee can give you. Sugar and cream, however, are pretty bad. This whole issue is about the sugar content. Countless studies have demonstrated that sugar overconsumption is harmful. Many Americans find it challenging to stay away from those consequences. A high sugar intake can result in heart diseases, cancer growth, obesity, and other life-altering complications. Remove the sugar from your black coffee, and you will enjoy its benefits without the side effects of sugar. In the old days, black coffee used to taste like peanuts, dark chocolate, or charcoal. Now, black coffee includes notes of fruits, spices, flowers, and even almonds. In the coffee supply chain, from seed to cup, everyone works on improving the quality of each cup of coffee. Today, coffee has different flavors and blends. But, no matter how many it will come to, people can't deny that black coffee has definitely opened doors to a whole new world of experiences. Drinking black coffee may seem like an acquired taste for many people. Still, we have to admit, and many people find that taste appealing. For many of us, sugar and cream have been part of our daily routine from the beginning. It would help if you learn to enjoy black coffee. That will take time. However, once you make the switch, you will wonder why you were ever adding anything to your coffee, to begin with. Coffee comes in a variety of flavors, from sweet to fruity to creamy to bitter. By adding cream and sugar, you miss out on those unique flavors. It is important to remember that coffee tastes great, even black coffee. You love your coffee already with cream and sugar. However, that doesn't mean you'll hate it if it's black. This is your chance to give it a try. Switching from sweet sugar-filled coffee to black is a rewarding journey. To witness and be a part of this journey will take guts, discipline, and not to mention refined taste. With every cup of coffee, you will notice your mornings brighten, your faces lift, and you become more appreciative. Many people have successfully switched, and now it's your turn to drink your coffee black. Thank you for watching.